TuneMap team from Bandung, Indonesia. We are deeply concerned about mobility needs of blind people in our city, Bandung.
Months ago, we watched a film documentary about young blind people in my city, and they are very full of potentials, which some of them are aspiring to be a musician, film director, and programmer.
Unfortunately, these passionate young people are not facilitated by a proper access to freely move from their home to their schools, training centers, or their workplaces, since there are only limited guiding blocks available in our city.
As a pedestrian myself, I know exactly how the condition of the pavement are, and I know it would be a huge burden for blind people mobility in our city.
As a local citizen, we thought that there is always something that we can do to help fellow blind people to mobilize. Thus, we create TuneMap, which relied on the idea to solve that problem, as well as to create a harmonious urban environment among the local people within the city. TuneMap itself stands for Tunanetra, which means blind people in Indonesian. It is a mobile application that involves three different groups of users: Bandung citizen, blind people, and government. Bandung citizen will act as a data source in TuneMap as they will report the condition or problem regarding the guiding block. After the report has been verified, the data will be used as the information for the blind people regarding the road condition that they will be passing by. The report that has been combined with the behavior of the blind people will be provided to the government to later become a decision consideration.
To make it happen, we have divided into several action plans. First is developing the mobile app. We have gathered the public data such as Bandung Maps and Bandung Pedestrian Maps, which will be used as the basic data for this mobile app. Second is doing a pilot test, which will be involving the number of local communities who use the pedestrian frequently, such as Alert, Boy Scout, Blind Community, Bandung City Watch, Bandung Heritage, and Bandung Runner. This phase will improve the basic data gathered on the first stage. After launching the app, we will market our mobile app through several channels to build the number of users.
TuneMap's spirit is to enhance local community participatory in helping the disabled, especially the blind one. Without helping each other, city will sink into selfishness that people will only think about themselves. We invite local communities to serve the city by doing pedestrian mapping. By using the application, whenever people found a damage and or inappropriate pavement which have potential danger to the blinds, they will take a picture and report the problems to the mobile application.
Andre is a blind man. He used TuneMap for his daily use. TuneMap is designed to be voice-to-text based apps, so that it will be easy use for the blind people. The apps itself will start every time the user speaks the password. Here's an example of Andre's walk to Bormius Hospital to visit a friend of his. I want to visit a friend of mine in Borromeus Hospital. I will ask TuneMap for the direction. TuneMap!
Where are you going, Andre?
Borromeus.
TuneMaps will measure the obstacle and safest road to Borromeus Hospital from Andre's current location. TuneMaps will give Andre a specific information about the route via voice. While moving, TuneMaps will alert Andre every time he is about to pass the obstacle. Andre's walk will be recorded in TuneMaps server so that they will have the daily data of Andre's walk behavior. What makes us different? We encourage Bandung citizens to be local heroes for the underserved group, which in this case is blind people in Bandung. Citizens who frequently report the guiding blocks problems within the city will be called as local heroes and will get a reward. the reward will be given by the local business as their corporate social responsibility. The idea of rewarding is to retain the mobile app users, which yield to a sustainability as the more problems reported, the more accurate the data, and the more blind people sign up as users.
By encouraging the citizen voluntarily helping the blind people, we hope it could create a harmonious urban environment without any discrimination to the disabled community, as they could have the same profession with normal people. It is also in line with our city's vision, Bandung Juara, where all of the society is a winner, including the disabled community. Bandung will become pilot project for this action. In the future, we hope that this project could be replicated in other cities in Indonesia to achieve the goal as Indonesia's disabled-friendly cities.
In summary, we believe that TunMap will eventually solve the blind people's mobility problem
and enhance the participatory urban planning of Bandung in order to make a harmonious urban environment.
Bandung,
for all.
They made a statue of us and put it on a mountaintop.